Hey everyone, welcome to Shoot On. We're out here today testing a couple products. We've got a new barrel system from Thompson Center. It's a carbon fiber composite barrel in the 350 Legend. We're getting ready to go on a hunt here. So getting it dialed in and making sure everything's good to go there. The other product we are testing out is a new rest system from Real Avid. Now, the Real Avid, of course, is the folks that have all the DIY tools and cleaning supplies and that sort of thing. And they're jumping into the shooting support system. And this product is called the Ratchet Rest. It's an adjustable front and rear bag system that uses, well, so it's filled with a plastic filler in a bag inside the bag. And really all you're doing is using this ratchet system to squeeze the contents of the bag, that filler, to raise or lower your elevation. And it works for the front bag as well as the two rear bags. So you got the large front, medium-sized rear, and a small rear. So really it's worked out very well here. Comes with a rubberized sort of base, so it prevents the slippage, so you shoot, it doesn't go anywhere. But anyway, nice and convenient if you are one who has to do a little bit of walking between your truck and, say, the benches that are public range. It's a lot lighter than a sled or some of the other heavier bench models. But anyway, easy to tote, got a convenient carry handle, and it works. It's been working very well here. So anyway, if you're looking for a solution to your shooting support problems, whether you're shooting at home, go out to, drive out to the field and shoot somewhere, don't shoot off your truck. Anyway, whether it's a bench, folding table, whatever, this is a nice convenient way to get that support you need and custom adjust it so that you're all lined up when it's time to pull the trigger. So again, this is the Ratchet Rest system from Real Avid. Go check it out.